Useful tools for digital marketing. Google Analytics to track website traffic activities. Google Keyword Planner for keyword research. Google Search Console to check indexing status and optimizing visibility. Google Trends to analyze the popularity of a search term. Uber Suggest base account for domain overview and content ideas. Scheming Frog SEO Spider for website audit. SEO review tools to extract backlinks. Website Auditor for website audit. Monitor backlinks to monitor backlinks and keywords. Answer the Public for visual keyword research. Grammarly to write grammatical correct sentence. Telor to organize your project and monitor the programs. Thank you for watching.